that Madam Hillary Clinton, Secretary of State, is acting on his behalf, and I really thank you very much. I hope, and I guess, you will all understand. I think he must be busy with something at this moment. Excellencies, today, as we, the men and women of many nations, break bread together here, let us take a few moments to remember the women and men out on the front lines of conflict, disaster, and need. Every country represented here in this room sent its nationals abroad to help others in one way or another. And I thank those countries who have been sending their men and women to peacekeeping operations, who are working in a very difficult and dangerous circumstances. We have seen many sacrifices who have ultimately given their lives in the course of humanity and peace.
As President Obama said this morning in his address to the General Assembly, attacks such as these against embassies, consulates, diplomats anywhere in the world strike at the heart of the mission of the United Nations. So let us stand together against violence and extremism on behalf of those values and principles